Welcome everyone. I decided to, slightly bend my Brydge Pro Plus, and the trackpad is slightly cracked. I don't know what happened, but I just want to let you know that having a bent keyboard case is a lot better than normal because you have this ergonomic design with the bends right here. And let me just move it back up, and you can see it feels good on the palm, and the actual typing experience is really good, not gonna lie. The space bar is a bit mushy on the sides, but the middle part does work, right? So you learn to use the space bar properly. And the trackpad as well, when you crack it, it makes like, hear this? It's a lot quieter. I prefer it personally. So if you want to buy this, there is a link in the description. The hinge is also, I snapped it in half, but you can like pull it in and it kind of works. So I think you should buy it, not gonna lie. See you guys later.